Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in the shop new customer. He's actually really here with his beautiful Tundra. It's a 2004 and believe it or not, it has only 88,000 miles. And we just drove her in the shop moving stuff around, but let me show you. Everything is like brand new, tricked out, clean, beautiful. I will say this owner is very proud owner of Toyota brand and this beautiful truck. He bought it approximately a year ago. And he came to my shop because he's a subscriber and he wants to have a timing belt done and bunch of other stuff. And he is one of people like you. He believes that everything should be genuine Toyota. So as a part of timing belt, there's no problem. Also replace the radiator. That's definitely good timing. And look what he brought. He brought all his parts. We have even the infamous rings on the water pump. He went in so much detail. That was supplied with it. It's right here. But he was like, well, I'm not sure about the quality of it. I will buy even 2 more and we can compare them. So look at that. Of course, he thinks I can do everything in one day, so here is the support bearing. Now he even said, oh, what's about the transmission support? So he keeps surprising me every single second with a new part, which he would love to have done today. Look at his beautiful alternator. He's going even that way, everything Toyota. This was remanned by Toyota, by the Denso for Toyota. Here you can see that sticker. Absolutely incredible. Of course, when you do the timing belt on this 2 ZFE, you are putting this on the side. Only extra work will be basically disconnecting both these wires and putting new ones. So that's no extra charge again. The labor remains same. If you think about these things, that can be definitely done in one day. So look at this extreme attention to the detail. So the lights in the cabin when you open the door are absolutely beautiful white LEDs. Of course it's a daytime, you cannot see it. So nice like it will be in the dark. But the attention detail I said, this should be green and it was also changed to the white. Incredible.
Hey YouTube, I drove 5 hours to come and see Peter because I appreciate his attention to detail. I appreciate the work that he does. I look forward to seeing all his YouTube videos. And I wanted to have that peace of mind that you get when you know someone does the best work they can possibly do and takes time and treats things like it's their own. That's what brought me here, and hopefully he can find some other stuff that I need to change so that I can come back and we can do some other work together.
So thank you, Tony, for your kind words. I appreciate it. That's you are right. That's what I'm trying to do for everybody every day. Of course, I spend double time that other shops and garages, but I still think it's worth it. So thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and I will start today doing the timing belt. The engine cooled off already, so it's not too hot. And I will lock myself in the shop because I don't want to have any interruption. The phone will be switched off and I will fully focus on your truck. So thank you for coming.
All right, thank you.
And thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you in different video. Bye.